Hi all, this is Yunus. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how we can create a customized AMI. Initially, I can launch an EC2, then install whichever applications I need to in that EC2. Then I can take an image of that EC2 and store that as a customized AMI in my account. Later, I can use that customized AMI to create a new EC2. And by default, that new EC2 will have all the applications which I had installed in my original EC2. So let's see how it works. Here I have a EC2 called Web Server Original. Let me log into this. So for that, I'm going to create a terminal. So I have this terminal from where I'm going to log into this EC2. So go back to your AWS console, click on connect and copy this connection string. Again, open your terminal, go to your downloads folder. Just check if you are in downloads folder because that is where you usually keep your key pair. So I'm already in downloads folder. So I'll just paste the connection string, enter. Okay. Now I have already logged into my original web server EC2. As the first step, I'm going to update the apt repository. After that, I will install Apache 2 web server on this. So let me do that. Okay, so it is updated. Now I'm going to install Apache 2. Sudo apt install Apache 2 -5. It will take a minute. Okay, so let's see if it is already installed. Sudo service Apache 2 status. So you can see that it says it is active and running. So that means there is a web server already running here. What I need to do is I need to create an index.html file and then move that to the web root directory of Apache 2 web server. So let me create index.html. vi index.html. I'm going to copy paste it from another file. Yes. It just has 2 lines. Welcome to my page. We are creating a customized AMI image. That's all. Save it. Now I need to move this index.html into the document root of Apache 2. Sudo mv index.html /var/www/html. Okay, it is done. Now I should be able to view that particular web page. Okay. So the web server is running. So let's see if we can view the web page. Go to the instance and public IPv4 DNS is here. Open the address. Here it is HTTPS. Just change it. HTTPS will not work. Yeah, you have to make it HTTP. Or what you can do is you can copy this public IPv4 address directly. So you can see that the web page is actually coming up. Now what I want to do is I want to create a customized image of this EC2. For that, I will go here and click on AMIs. For that, I will go to the instances and select this and go to actions and image and templates. Create image. Click on that and you can give the image name as web server AMI. If you want to add your name, you can do that. Image description, customized AMI with web server. Customized AMI with web server app. No reboot you can enable, otherwise your EC2 may get rebooted. Come down, you can leave everything else as default. Create image. Now, where is it creating the image? Go to AMIs. Refresh. You can see that the AMI is actually getting created. It will take some time. It is in pending state. It will take some time. Once it comes in service, we can use this AMI to create a new EC2. I'll stop recording and I'll come back once it comes to in service. Okay, the new AMI has come in service or it has come available. You can see that here. So let us use this AMI to create a new EC2. Go to AMI catalog. You can see my AMIs. You can see the AMI which we just now created. So select this and then click on launch instance with AMI. So I'll say my copy web server. I'll give this name copy web server just to show that this is created from the customized AMI. That's all. Come down and the AMI is already selected, right? Otherwise you'll have to go to my AMIs and select it. That also you can do. Instance type T2 micro is okay. Key pair name, you can choose any one key pair which you have. And this is a simple web page. So you need SSH22 and HTTP 80. So just select this. If there is an existing security group available, you can use that, but otherwise just create a new one by selecting SSH and HTTP. Come down, all these things can be default. Click on launch instance. Okay, view all instances. You can see the copy web server, it is in pending state. So what should ideally happen is when this EC2 comes up, I should be able to access the web page which I had actually created as part of web server original, because I have taken the same image to create copy web server. Let's wait for the copy web server to come in service or running state. It's in running state. Select this. Let me open this and remove the HTTPS. So you can see that it actually has come up with the web server already running. And you can see the web page resulting from the same index.html you can actually see. So that is the advantage of creating your customized AMI. When you are working on a project, in your development environment, you may install several applications, and sometimes you need to create a copy of that development environment. Instead of launching an instance and then installing all the applications one by one, what you can do is you can just create a AMI from your existing server, and then you can use that customized AMI for creating a new server. That's what we did. And once the hands-on exercise is done, please make it a point to delete the AMI, deregister the AMI. Go to AMIs, select this, come here and select deregister AMI. And also you can go to snapshots under EBS, go to snapshots. A snapshot is created for this. So click on this and actions, delete snapshot. So these two things, please do it after the exercise as part of the cleanup. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this is a simple hands-on exercise, but it will be useful for people who are preparing for the certification exams and people who are just beginning to learn AWS. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.